Hi, Alex. I'm Brendan with Sensors. Question for you. So we have about 20 employees at our business. We sell a technology piece with a hardware and a software platform. We're wondering how we could increase revenue with a smaller staff who's and a company that's not really looking to do full-fledged hiring. So yeah, any tips you can help with that would be great. Thanks.
Hello, Brandon. I went through your website, SenSound, and it looks like your company, you produce very tailor-made sound solutions, which are very, very impressive. I really like it. And we are almost in the same business because when 10 years ago I started to deliver my consulting projects, I was with a very small team of very high-level experts in consulting. And we dealt with big companies, big corporations, like you deal with these hospitals. But at that moment, it was pretty successful, and we get some money, revenue. But I realized more than 10 years ago, I realized that if we want to have more, bigger market and more results, more products, we have to scale this business. We have to scale it. And this is why it's unfortunately, I want to tell you one thing. If you really want to grow a big company and to increase your revenue, like few folds, you have to develop some standardized product. Because I believe there are very similar hospitals in the country. There are some at least they have some similar frameworks, and I believe it's absolutely possible to create some standardized solutions. Only this way you can increase your income. I cannot tell you that it's possible to create this standardized solution and to bring them on the market without additional hiring employees. It's impossible. You need to hire some people anyway. But in this case, if you have standardized solutions, not tailor-made. In this case, with smaller amount of people, you can increase your revenue few folds. And what I see, this is only one way.